Many adults over 50 notice their digestion doesn't work quite like it used to. Bloating that wasn't there before, sluggishness after meals, a belly that feels heavier even when eating habits haven't changed. What's often behind this isn't a lack of willpower or discipline. It's a change in how your body processes fat and moves waste through your system. And certain oils you probably already own may help support that process in ways most people don't realize. I've ranked 5 common oils based on what research actually shows about digestive support. Not hype, not trends, just what the evidence suggests. By the end, you'll know which ones might be worth trying, how they're thought to work, and exactly how to use them if you decide to. Let me start with what's actually happening. Around age 50, bile production tends to slow down. Bile is a digestive fluid your liver makes to help break down fats and keep waste moving through your intestines. When there's less of it, fats don't emulsify as efficiently. Waste can move more slowly, and that contributes to the bloating, heaviness, and discomfort many people experience. This isn't a disease, it's a shift, and certain dietary fats may help signal your body to produce more bile, which research suggests can improve how quickly and completely waste moves through your system. 3 quick questions before we start the ranking. Are you over 50 and noticing more digestive discomfort than you used to? Do you already use any of these oils regularly? And which sounds more appealing to you? Something affordable and gentle, or something more powerful that requires careful dosing? Let me know in the comments. Now let's get into the oils, starting with the one that gets the most attention but may not deliver what you'd expect.
Oil number 5, black seed oil. Black seed oil has a reputation. Ancient remedy, immune support, anti-inflammatory powerhouse, and there's truth to some of that. Studies have shown that compounds in black seed oil, particularly thymoquinone, have antioxidant properties and may reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. But when it comes to supporting bile flow and waste elimination specifically, the research is much quieter. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found modest improvements in digestive markers over 8 weeks, but the effects were gradual and relatively small. Black seed oil may help protect your gut lining and calm inflammation, but it doesn't appear to meaningfully increase bile secretion or speed up waste transit. It's maintenance, not activation. There's also the practical issue. Black seed oil is intensely bitter. Most people take it in capsule form, which means lower doses and slower absorption. To match what research studies used, you'd need multiple capsules daily, which adds up in cost. If you're already using black seed oil for other reasons, continue. But if you're specifically looking to support digestive flow, there are better options lower on this list.
Oil number 4, flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil fell out of fashion when newer options came along. That's unfortunate because it has a specific strength worth reconsidering. Flaxseed oil is the richest plant source of alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fat that research suggests may help reduce intestinal inflammation and support gut barrier integrity. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that regular flaxseed oil consumption was associated with reduced inflammation markers and improved gut lining function within 3 weeks. What does that mean practically? When your gut lining is healthier, it processes waste more efficiently. Flaxseed oil also provides gentle lubrication to intestinal walls, which may help waste move more smoothly rather than sticking. Many people report feeling less bloated within a few days of starting. The method is simple. 1 tablespoon each morning, ideally on an empty stomach. Don't heat it. The omega-3s degrade at high temperatures. Pour it on salads, blend it into smoothies, or take it straight if you don't mind the mild, nutty flavor. One consideration: flaxseed oil has mild blood-thinning properties. If you're on anticoagulant medication like warfarin, check with your doctor before adding it. Why isn't it higher on the list? Because while flaxseed oil supports gut lining health and lubrication, it doesn't strongly stimulate bile release. It prepares your digestive system to work better, but it doesn't actively trigger the flushing mechanism. Oil number 3, MCT oil. MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides.
These are fats with a shorter molecular structure than most dietary fats, which means they're processed differently. Instead of going through the usual slow digestive pathway, MCTs are absorbed rapidly and sent directly to your liver. When your liver receives this concentrated dose of fat, research suggests it responds by increasing bile production relatively quickly. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that MCT oil was associated with increased fat oxidation, your body's ability to process and eliminate fat, by a significant margin compared to other oils. Some people notice effects within days, but there's a catch. Because MCT oil works so quickly, taking too much too soon can overwhelm your system. Your gut isn't accustomed to this level of bile activity all at once. That can lead to digestive urgency, loose stools, cramping, or unexpected bathroom trips. The solution? Start very small. 1 teaspoon daily for the first week. Let your body adjust. After that, you can increase to 1 tablespoon if you're tolerating it well. MCT oil has almost no taste, so it mixes easily into coffee or smoothies. Buy pure MCT oil, not coconut oil labeled as MCT rich. Look for bottles that specify C8 or C10. Those are the concentrated forms. If you're looking for something that actively stimulates bile and you're willing to work through an adjustment period, MCT oil is worth considering. Just respect the learning curve. Oil number 2, coconut oil. Coconut oil contains one of the highest natural concentrations of lauric acid, a medium-chain fatty acid with some interesting properties. Research suggests lauric acid may help break down biofilm, a protective layer that can form around waste and certain bacteria in the gut, making them harder to clear. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that coconut oil consumption was associated with improved gut motility, meaning waste moved through the digestive system more quickly. Participants also showed changes in gut bacteria composition over 30 days. The method many people use, 1 to 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil, melted first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Wait 30 minutes before eating anything else. This gives the lauric acid time to coat your intestinal walls before other food arrives. Don't cook with it for this purpose. High heat changes the fat structure and may reduce the beneficial effects. People often report more complete bowel movements within the first week, less straining, less feeling like something's still stuck. Over a few weeks, some notice reduced belly bloating. The main limitation, quality, matters significantly. Most grocery store coconut oil is refined and deodorized, which strips out some of the lauric acid content. You need virgin, cold-pressed coconut oil. That costs more and requires careful label reading. If you're willing to source quality coconut oil and commit to daily use, it's a strong option. Oil number 1, extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is the most studied oil for digestive health, and for good reason. It contains the highest concentration of oleic acid among commonly available oils. Oleic acid is a monounsaturated fat that research suggests may signal your liver to increase bile production in a sustained way. Unlike some oils that create a brief spike, olive oil appears to support steady bile flow over several hours. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed adults over 55 who consumed 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily for 12 weeks. The findings were notable. Intestinal transit time, how quickly waste moves through, improved significantly. Gut bacterial diversity increased. Markers of inflammation decreased. And participants reported substantially less bloating. People often describe feeling a warmth in their abdomen within a few hours of their first dose. The heavy, stuck feeling begins to lift within days, and over 3 to 4 weeks, many notice their belly feels noticeably flatter, especially in the morning. The method is straightforward. 2 tablespoons every morning on an empty stomach. That means at least 8 hours without food, ideally right when you wake up. Your body absorbs the oleic acid more efficiently when there's nothing competing for digestion. Buy olive oil in dark glass bottles. Look for harvest dates, not just expiration dates. Real extra virgin olive oil typically costs around $12 to $15 for a bottle that lasts a month. That's about 50 cents per day. The taste is rich and slightly peppery. Some people enjoy it. Others tolerate it because they appreciate the results. 2 considerations. Some people experience looser stools in the first few days. This is a bile flush response, your gut adjusting to increased bile activity. It's temporary and harmless for most people, but if it's uncomfortable, reduce to 1 tablespoon and increase gradually. Also, olive oil stimulates gallbladder activity. If you have a history of gallstones or gallbladder disease, consult your doctor before starting. For most adults over 50 who are experiencing digestive sluggishness and bloating, extra virgin olive oil is the most accessible, affordable, and well-researched option.
How to use this information. If you want to try this approach, start with extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons each morning, empty stomach. That's your foundation. If you want to accelerate results, you can add 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil or MCT oil in the afternoon with lunch. You don't need both. Choose one and stay consistent. Some people rotate coconut oil in 3 to 4 times per week, taking it on alternate mornings instead of olive oil. What to expect? Within a few days, you may feel lighter. Bloating often decreases noticeably. After a week, bowel movements tend to become more regular and complete. At 2 weeks, you might notice your pants fitting more comfortably. Energy after meals may improve. By 1 month, the cumulative effects are often quite clear, but this requires consistency. Taking olive oil for 3 days won't create lasting change. This is a daily habit, like brushing your teeth or taking vitamins. The difference is cost, for around $15 per month, compared to prescription digestive medications that can cost hundreds. Mistakes to avoid. Don't take your oil with a heavy meal. You need an empty stomach for the most effective bile response. Wait at least 30 minutes before eating breakfast. Don't take fiber supplements at the same time. Fiber absorbs oil and may reduce its effectiveness. Separate them by at least 2 hours. Don't expect instant miracles. You'll likely feel improvement within days, but full digestive restoration takes weeks of consistent use. Don't stop prescribed medications without medical guidance. These oils support digestive health, but any major changes to your treatment plan should involve your doctor. And don't buy refined, processed, or blended versions of these oils. Look for extra virgin and cold pressed. Those words indicate the beneficial compounds are intact. What this really comes down to? Digestive slowdown after 50 is common, but it's not inevitable. Your body still has the capacity to produce bile and move waste efficiently. It just may need support. These oils provide concentrated amounts of specific fats that research suggests can help signal your liver to increase bile production. Your great-grandparents cooked with olive oil and coconut oil regularly. Their bodies had consistent access to these compounds. Modern diets often don't. We consume processed oils stripped of these beneficial fats and then wonder why digestion becomes more difficult with age. You're not broken. Your diet may just be missing something your digestive system needs. Try extra virgin olive oil every morning for 30 days. Track how you feel. Notice whether bloating decreases. Pay attention to your energy after meals. See if your belly feels different. The research suggests this approach may help, but you won't know how your body responds until you try. Start tomorrow morning if you'd like. 2 tablespoons, empty stomach, 30 days. Your digestive system may thank you. If this was helpful, I'd appreciate you hitting the like button. It helps other people over 50 who are dealing with the same digestive struggles find this information. And if you want more evidence-based content on health topics that actually matter as we age, subscribe to the channel. We cover everything from energy and sleep to joint health and metabolic function, all backed by research, never by hype. Drop a comment and let me know which oil you're planning to try first, or if you've already been using any of these and noticed a difference.
I read every comment, and your experience might help someone else who's on the fence about trying this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.